dang le ayu. What are you doing? Nga dang berkat shaphang jongpi. I am thinking about you. Balay pi berkat shaphang jonga. Why are you thinking about me? Namar pidan artli kikam. Because you have 2 jobs. Kumno pila ban pinbiang. How do you manage? Ningkong te nga syaitan chabapalat. At first, I used to be exhausted. But mentapan nga sngo kumba ngadang kwa shushu. And now I feel like I want some more. Kakam ayu pikwa, which kind of work you would like? Ngakwa ban pinhe yaka kai jonga. I would like to enlarge my business. Pi kai ayu, which kind of business you are doing? Ngaday unong di jhor. I am a vegetables vendor. Nado menno pisdang. Since when did you start?